Let's say you're missing meta descriptions. How do you fix this? One by one? Content Agent solves this. You can chat with it to analyze thousands of your documents, even make bulk changes to them, and the changes are staged in a place that lets you review them, make additional changes, and ultimately be able to confirm or reject the changes. Let me show you what I mean by heading over to Sanity, where I know I am missing meta descriptions, but I'm going to open up Content Agent to figure this out. Which pages are missing SEO descriptions? And these can be limiting the traffic that we get from LLMs, from search engines, and even social media. It's found 8 pages, and I can open up this set by clicking View and seeing all the pages that it's found. It's asked me if I want to generate the SEO descriptions. Yes, but we're going to take this a step further. I'm saying yes, but research trending topics and keywords in the cycling industry and naturally factor in relevant ones. So Content Agent is going to go out to the internet, do some research. So when it's writing these meta descriptions, it's going to try to factor in some trending topics and keywords. And it's done. This is so cool. So it's found the trending topics, it's written the descriptions, and I can switch over from my searches tab to changes to be able to review all of the changes it's made. Let's open up the S600 and head over to my SEO group to see that it's generated the meta description. This looks great, but I want to request an additional change. I said, be sure to mention who rides this bike. Now this is special because notice that I'm saying this. I don't need to point to the document ID or title. By having the document open, I can just naturally chat with Content Agent and it knows what I'm talking about. And now we can see it's written by Tour de France Pro Annie Speed, exactly what I wanted. And of course, we can always make additional changes manually. So I can go in here and maybe add an exclamation point. Okay, let's head over to my chapters real quick. We've audited the SEO, we've found trends by doing internet research, and we've written the metadata. Now from here, I want to create an image because the image on this page is square, and I want this to be 16 by 9. Create a new social image that's 16 by 9. And it's created a new image. I'm giving it very little context, but it's taking the document's content and providing that as context, which is why we get a pretty relevant image right here. Now let's check this off and do one final step. It's very important that when we're making changes with AI, that we want to have the oversight to be able to review them, reject them, and so forth. So by going over to our Changes tab, we can see that we can just straight up discard them all, and this would get rid of all the changes, or we can confirm them. And note, I'm not working in Publish, and I'm not even working in Drafts. I'm working in a new special version that's made by Content Agent. And I do want to confirm these, but I want to create a release. We could alternatively create them as drafts, so move it from this agent version to the draft version. But I'm going to create a release and say this is updated meta descriptions, confirm it. And now I can see it's created a release where I can run the release and this would publish everything right now, or I can schedule it so this can go out exactly when I want to, which is January 13th at 6 a.m. and we are good to go. Content operations just got a whole lot faster because of Content Agent. You can see how easy it was to chat with it, find documents that fit my criteria, which was the missing meta descriptions. Then it went out to the internet to find trending topics and keywords. It wrote those descriptions. I asked it to generate an image, and then, very importantly, I was able to review everything, make additional changes either manually or with Content Agent, and be able to confirm or reject it. Ultimately, I did add them to a release and scheduled it, so all of my changes were able to go out together. Whether you're trying to find insights across your documents or make changes, Content Agent is super helpful and it's very easy to use because you can just chat with it. And that is Content Agent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.